Are you part of those people who still jumps up to switch their life from NEPA to Gen? Why are you still doing that? Why are you stressing yourself? This is an automatic switch to make your life easier and smarter. In fact, you won't even know when NEPA takes the light except when that sound rings inside your house. This automatic switch is here to make your life easier and stress-free. Now, once they bring the light, can you hear? Can you hear? All you'll be hearing is pa, 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 because it's switching from NEPA to generator, from generator to NEPA, from NEPA to generator, without you standing up from where you are. Stop jumping. It's even risky. Imagine you want to go and switch down now and the electricity sparks. It's risky. Please switch to automatic switch today. Make better decision and let your life be more smarter. For more information about it, on the number in the bio, we'll be waiting for your orders. Thank you.